Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Miguron Knives Centurion here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? This guy comes with this soft pouch with a little bit of fuzziness on the inside, zippered. It comes also with the certificate of authenticity, which displays the model, the serial number, steel, handle material, and blah blah blah. So you know that this is an interesting one. I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised by this one. This is an overall very cool knife. It's a $200 knife made in China. The overall length of this one is going to be 8.65 inches with a almost 5-inch long handle, and look at that, almost 4-inch long blade. M390 steel. This is a titanium frame lock with some red shredded carbon fiber scales going on over here. Flat grind. It's sounding pretty good indeed. It's probably like the closing sound, guys. It's fantastic. It's a beautiful tinkling sound. Titanium pocket clip, nicely milled. Tip-up carry only. Titanium backspacer. Some jimping going on the backspace, around the backspacer and on the backspacer. A little bit pointy flipper tab, but works perfectly. Beautiful divot over here, which is perfectly done. Like for the thumb, beautiful position. You also have an option of dual thumb stud, gold anodized to deploy the blade beside the flipper tab, of course. You have a nicely sterile looking blade with dual directional setting, like horizontal for the flats and vertical for the primary bevel, and this wedge, and this kind of like tanto. It's not tanto, but this tip, you see, has a nice extra ground line. So very interesting. Also the plunge grind is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Reminds me about some South African blades. Sharpening choil, which can actually be used as a finger choil if you're not like too advanced, because it's sharpened up to the heel. Couple of pivot collars. I mean, this guy checks all the boxes. Feels good in the hand. It's a big boy for sure. The action is gorgeous. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.